Abacus in Learning State Academy.
Okay, so Manu, today I am going to ask you the questions related to Abacus level 1. Okay, so what is the answer for 2 plus 4 plus 9 minus 8 plus 5?
16.
Okay, next question 7 plus 5 minus 3 plus 2 plus 4.
15.
Okay, next question 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 minus 3.
7.
Okay, next question 8 plus 7 minus 5 plus 4 plus 2.
16.
Okay, next question 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 minus 2.
19.
Okay, next question 3 plus 7 minus 1 plus 2 plus 4.
15.
Okay, next question 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 minus 9.
3.
Okay, next question 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and minus 5.
10.
Okay, and the last question 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1 minus 4.
7.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you. Congratulations. You have completed your level 1. Okay, keep it up.